Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to disable active status on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And once we open our Instagram app, just click this profile icon on the bottom right corner. And once you click that, go here on the top right corner and click this 3 line right here. And once you click that, you will be directed to settings and activity. So just scroll down until you see messages and story replies. So just click it and then click this show activity status. After that, you will now be able to turn on and turn off your active status on Instagram. So if this is turned on, all you have to do is to click it and then it will now be turned off. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.